Tesla Summon is a feature within the full self-driving suite that allows your Model 3 to autonomously move short distances. It operates within the full self-driving suite, enabling the vehicle to handle basic movements on its own. There are two modes. Classic Summon handles simple straight-line movements, while Smart Summon can navigate around obstacles and curves. Summon helps in tight parking spots or when you want the car to come to you on private property. It boosts convenience by handling challenging maneuvers for you. Classic Summon is Tesla's straightforward autonomous parking feature that moves your Model 3 forward or backward in a straight line. It relies on the vehicle's cameras for vision and ultrasonic sensors for detecting nearby objects, ensuring safe movement. For Classic Summon to work, the path must be completely clear, with no obstacles blocking the straight line movement. You can activate Classic Summon through the Tesla mobile app or by using the key fob. This feature is perfect for pulling into or out of parking spaces where there are no obstructions in the way. Remember, the vehicle will only accelerate up to 5 miles per hour during this operation. Additionally, you must remain within 400 feet of the vehicle at all times for safety reasons. Smart Summon is the more advanced option. It utilizes the full suite of sensors, including cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar, along with AI to navigate around obstacles and even through parking lots. Smart Summon requires an FSD subscription and is activated through the Tesla app. Note that Smart Summon is intended for use on private property only and requires constant supervision. It is not fully autonomous, and the driver must stay within 400 feet of the vehicle. To use Tesla Summon features, you must first have access to full self-driving. This requires purchasing the FSD package or subscribing to it. On your Model 3's touchscreen, go to the Controls menu, then select Autopilot, and find the Summon option to activate it. To use Smart Summon, you need to enable it specifically in the Tesla mobile app settings. Summon requires a stable internet connection on your phone to function, as it relies on real-time data and updates. Once you've completed these steps, your Tesla Model 3 will be configured and ready to use Classic or Smart Summon. To use Classic Summon, start by opening the Tesla mobile app on your phone and navigating to the Summon tab. This will display your vehicle's location and the available summon options. Once in the Summon tab, select either forward or reverse to move your Model 3 in the desired straight line direction. The car will move at low speed, up to 5 miles per hour, and requires a clear path ahead. Alternatively, you can activate Classic Summon by pressing and holding the center button on your Tesla key fob. This provides the same functionality as the app method. Always keep the vehicle within your line of sight during Classic Summon. Be prepared to stop it immediately if needed by releasing the button or pulling a door handle. The car will halt automatically if it detects obstacles. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone and navigate to the Summon tab to begin using Smart Summon. Tap the Smart Summon icon within the Summon tab to activate the feature. A map will appear on your screen, displaying your car's current location and surroundings. Press and hold the Come to Me button on the map interface to initiate Smart Summon. Watch as your car begins to navigate autonomously toward your location, avoiding obstacles along the way. Release the Come to Me button at any time to stop the summon process immediately. If the car has trouble locating you, move to a more open area and try again. Always be prepared to take manual control if the system encounters unexpected obstacles. To increase the chance of success, position yourself within the vehicle's parking location area for optimal path planning. Always supervise Summon closely. Be ready to take control at any moment by releasing the button in the app or on the key fob. Summon is not designed for public roads and should only be used on private property or controlled environments to ensure safety. Be aware of pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles in the vicinity. The system prioritizes safety by automatically halting if hazards are detected, but human oversight is always required. The system may not work reliably in inclement weather or areas with poor visibility. Avoid using Summon when rain, fog, or darkness could impair the vehicle's sensors. Remember that Summon is a semi-autonomous feature requiring human supervision. It augments control but does not replace it. Always prioritize safety and be prepared to intervene. If Summon doesn't activate, first check that your phone has a strong internet connection. Summon requires a stable connection for real-time communication with the vehicle. Ensure the car is in a location with good GPS signal. Poor GPS can prevent Summon from accurately determining the vehicle's position and navigating properly. Check that all doors are closed. Summon will not activate if any doors are open, as this is a safety feature to prevent operation when someone might be entering or exiting the vehicle. Make sure there are no obstructions blocking the car's path. Summon needs a clear route to move safely. Remove any objects, people, or vehicles that might interfere with the intended path. If Smart Summon specifically is not working, ensure the area is properly marked as a home or work zone in the Tesla mobile app. Smart Summon requires this designation for enhanced navigation features. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support for assistance. They can help diagnose specific problems with your vehicle's software or hardware.